Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Saleha. So students, today I have brought the bookwork complete solved exercise of unit number 6 of your book, and here you can see, so it would be better to open the book in front of you, then you can easily solve all the exercise. So open the page number 78 of your book. So the vocabulary part A, the number 1 point is Tasir often found himself procrastinating. So you have to tell the meaning of procrastinating, okay? First underline it on your book and then the meaning of it, the act of delaying or postponing task or decision. It means the Urdu meaning of it, yani ke टाल मटोल करना, ताखीर करना. This is the Urdu meaning of procrastinating. Okay. Second point is he decided to impart a valuable lesson. Now here you can see impart. Now you have to tell the meaning of impart. Impart mean to communicate or convey information. यानी कि कोई बात बताना, पहुंचाना, अपना message convey करना, that is called the impart. Okay, next here you can see number 3 point is Tasir eagerly began by pouring the sand into the jar followed by the pebbles. Now you have to tell the eagerly. Underline the eagerly on your book, and the meaning of eagerly is in an enthusiastic or keen manner. यानी कि बहुत पुरजोश तरीके से, बहुत शौक से अपनी बात का इजहार करना है. That is called the eagerly. Okay, next point is his classmates listened intently and many of them decided to try the same approach themselves. Okay, here you have to tell the two meanings, intently and the approach. First, intently meaning is with focused attention or concentration, यानी कि बहुत तवज्जो से और दिलचस्पी से बात को बयान करना. And then approach. So approach meaning is a way of dealing with the situation or problem, यानी कि अपनी बात को सही तरीके से पहुंचाना, a way of dealing कि आप किसी सूरत हाल को किस तरह से डील करते हो, that is called the approach. Okay, number 5 point, vocabulary part A, book, page number 78. With practice and determination, I started to see improvement. Now you have to tell the meaning of determination. Now what is the meaning of determination is a strong sense of commitment to achieve a goal. It means Urdu meaning is पक्का इरादा करना, पुख्ता अज़म करना, यानी कि अपनी कमिटमेंट को, अपने मकसद को पूरा करने के लिए, एक पुरअज़म तरीके से पूरा करने के लिए, that is called the determination. Alright students, we have completed vocabulary part A. Oh, number 6 point is also here. Here you can see Tasir newfound time manager skills had an impact. Now you have to tell the meaning of impact. Now what is the meaning of impact? The strong effect or influence. यानी कि तासुर. Impact mean तासुर. Okay, here you can see vocabulary part B. So that is on page number same page number 78. Students, your book page number is 78. Vocabulary part B. Now start doing it. First, the word is engrossed. First, you have to tell the synonym of engrossed and the sentence of this word. Okay. All the given words we have to make the synonyms and sentence. हमने इनके synonyms भी बताने हैं और इनको sentence में भी use करना है. So engrossed synonym is abandoned, immersed, captivated. यानी कि engrossed mean गुम रहना, अपने काम में मगन रहना. And sentence you can make like this: I was completely engrossed in book I was reading. Okay, this is the sentence and synonyms of engrossed. So second word on your book is admirable. So admirable synonym is commendable, praiseworthy, laudable. यानी कि admirable काबिले तारीफ. And you can make the sentence like this: she was praised for admirable conduct of the matter. Right? Number 3 word is frowned. Frowned synonym is scowled and grimaced and glowered. And sentence is frown mean गुस्सा करना, गुस्से में रहना. Okay, and sentence you can make like this: she frowned as she read the letter from her landlord. यानी वो बहुत गुस्से में आ गई जब उसने अपने landlord का खत पढ़ा. Okay, number 4 word is amazement. Amazement synonym is, here you can see synonym and astonishment, wonder and surprise. यानी हैरानगी से और इजहार करना and sentence you can make like this. Some will shake their heads in amazement that such a debate still goes on. Okay. Next word is allocated. So allocated synonym is assigned करना, designated करना, यानी कि किसी को उसकी जगह पर fix कर देना. That is called assign कर देना, fix कर देना. So you can make the sentence of allocated is all seeds within a fruit must compete for resources allocated by the maternal plant. Okay. So next word is impact. Now you have to tell the synonym and sentence of impact is. Impact means tasur. Urdu meaning is tasur and English is effect, influence and consequence. And you can make the sentence like this. There was the sound of a third impact. Next word is cherish. Now the synonym of cherished is treasured, valued, adored, mean qimti, khazana. And the sentence you have to make like this is he had long cherished the hope of meeting her again. Alright, so we have completed. Next there is vocabulary part B and this is a vocabulary part C, students. This is page number again on 78. Okay, this is vocabulary part C. Use a dictionary to change the following nouns to adjectives. Now we have to change nouns को हमने adjective में change करना है. First one is done for you. Now you can write the nouns and adjective. The noun is management, so you will make the adjective is managerial. Okay. Next word is struggle, so you can make the adjective of struggle is struggleful and struggling. Gratification, gratifying and gratifiable. Expression, you will change expression into expressive, that is the adjective of expression. Reaction, reactive. Presence, present. Lesson, lesson mean come hona, lessened. Progress and progressive. Okay students, you have to change noun into adjective. आपने सब nouns के उनको adjective में change कर दिया. Okay, now open the page number 79 of your book, students. This is part A and this is grammar part A. Okay, page number 79 of your book. You can open the book in front of you. And dear students, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my coming and latest updates. Okay, so fill in the blanks with appropriate coordinating conjunctions. So I will make another detailed video that what is the conjunction, what is coordinating conjunction, what is subordinating conjunction, what is correlative conjunction. So I will make a detailed video on it. Here I will tell you conjunctions mean वो word जो दो sentences को आपस में जोड़ता है, that is called the conjunction. In simple words you can say. Okay, now look at the book. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. Now, what is the conjunction here? That is but. क्योंकि ये दो sentences को आपस में जोड़ रहा है. She likes both burger and pizza. And is conjunction. You can have nihari or pasta, but not both. Or is conjunction. He studied hard so he could pass the exam. So is conjunction. Okay, you have to fill all the blanks like this. Okay, now grammar part B. Fill in the blanks with appropriate coordinating and correlative conjunction. Again conjunction. Conjunction क्या है? जो दो sentences को आपस में join करके एक sentence बनाता है. That is called the conjunction. Okay. He didn't submit the homework because he wasted time in the playing games. So you will add here. That is on page number 80 because you will add here. Second point. She likes neither nor juice in the morning. Okay. You will add neither and nor. Okay, next one is Kiran didn't pass the exams because she had not studied well. Number 4, although he was tired, he stayed up late to finish his work. Number 5, although you work hard, you won't yet, you won't complete the test, non-standard. He is neither intelligent nor hardworking. So here you will have neither and nor. This is the combination of two words. Alright students. So next we have to do the part C and that is on page number 80 again. Okay, of your book. You can open the book page number 80. She likes tea and coffee. This is again conjunction. He went to the stores and bought some milk. They played outside but it started raining. It was late, so they decided to leave early. She enjoys reading novels and watching videos lectures. He is not tall nor short. They visit the museum and the zoo. Okay, students, we have add all the coordinating conjunction in all the sentences. Okay, part D, use the transition words in your sentences in your sentences. Okay, so here you can see the words and these are the sentences. You can make your own sentences. There's no necessity that you have to write on the same sentence. Okay, first word is here, moreover. So you can make the sentence, moreover, no new cases have been reported. Number two is meanwhile. Meanwhile mean, moreover का होता है बाद अज़ां और meanwhile is दौरान. This is the Urdu meaning. I am going to make dinner. Meanwhile you can set the table. यानी मैं dinner बना रही हूँ और इस दौरान आप table set कर दो. Next word is therefore. So therefore mean इसलिए. He had lived there and therefore knew what to expect. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज इन एडिशन. इन एडिशन मीन यानी इसके साथ इजाफी तौर पर. इन एडिशन टू स्टडिंग ही ऑल्सो वर्क्स पार्ट टाइम, यानी वो साथ साथ पार्ट टाइम भी करता है. फर्दर मोर यानी इसके साथ और मजीद. सो फर्दर मोर नो न्यू केसेस हैव बीन रिपोर्टेड, यानी मजीद नए केसेस रिपोर्ट नहीं किए गए. Alright students, so here you can see part E of your book, and this is rewrite each sentence using different conjunctions. Again conjunction students, similar meanings. He will go to the beach if the weather is nice. They have given you one sentence but you have to change the conjunction. आपने sentence को सेम सेंटेंस को थोड़ा सा चेंज करके उसमें दूसरी कंजक्शन ऐड करके आप लोगों ने सेंटेंस को चेंज करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट, so here you can see the example. He will go to the beach provided that the weather is nice. Okay, so number 1 point of your book is, this is part E. Here you can see the page number is 81 of your book. So number 1 point is, she likes coffee but she doesn't like tea. So you can change into like this, although. Okay, you will add the conjunction here, although. आप यहाँ पर although conjunction add करोगे. She likes coffee, she doesn't like tea. You can change the sentence like this. Number 2 point is, they went for a walk because the weather was nice. So you can change it like this. They went for a walk as the weather was nice. Okay, you will add here conjunction is as. Next one is, he not only studies but also plays. He studies and he plays sports as well. So you will add here another conjunction is and. They went to skiing since there was fresh snow on the slopes. Skiing mean यानी ढलवान से फिसलने को skiing कहते हैं. They went skiing as there was fresh snow on the slopes. Okay, you can change like this. He's both a talented musician and skilled painter. So you can change like this. He's not only a talented musician but also a skilled painter. Alright students, so we have completed the book work of unit number 6, the value of time. We have discussed about the conjunctions. I hope you will like this video, and please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment, and take care, and Allah Hafiz.